Here's how you can create a QR code for your website. From Google, I am going to search for a QR code generator, and I've been here before, so I'm going to click that. And the one that I like to use is the QR Code Monkey. I'm going to select that. And on a new tab, I am going to go to Brian's website. I'm going to drag my mouse across and press Command C on my Mac. It would be Control C on a PC. And I'm going to go back to my QR Code Monkey. And where it says your URL, I'm going to get rid of the one that's in there. And I'm going to press Command V, like Victor on my Mac, or Control V, I think, on a PC. And paste the address. And from this point, you can simply go to create QR code. But if you want to do anything a little bit fancy, you could change the colors. So maybe I will make the foreground color, I'll do red, and background color, maybe I'll make it white. See what that looks like. And you can add a logo image by uploading something from your computer. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to customize some of the shapes. And I don't think I'll go there, but I like this sort of leaf shape, and I like this one. And from this point on, I'm going to create the QR code. There it is. And I'm going to download. By default, it's a PNG. It's a portable network graphic. And it's being generated. Will let me know as soon as it's done. It can take a couple of minutes depending on how much you change the default design. On my Mac, at the bottom bar along here, I find my downloads. You could also go to a download folder on your computer. I'm going to open it, and I have one more step to do. I'm going to go File and Export, and this time I believe it's going to, yes, File. It's going to save as a JPEG, and I'm going to name it Brian Tedrick's QR code. And shouldn't be a period there. I don't know why I put it there. And route it where you will find it and know where you can locate it when you want to attach it. I'm going to click Save, and we're done. And if I just want to check real fast to make sure that that worked, I can see it up in the top right of my desktop, and I can go ahead and attach it to an email for whomever is requesting it. And that's it. Good luck. I hope it goes well for you.